The problem that I'm going to discuss first in differentiability is let f of 2 be equal to 4 and f dash of 2 be equal to 1. Then limit x tending to 2 x times f of 2 minus 2 times f of x upon x minus 2 is equal to, the answer options are A 2, B minus 2, C 1 and D minus 1. Now we will make use of the differentiation definition for this. We know that limit x tending to A f of a plus h minus f of a upon h is f dash of a. So in the given problem, what I am going to do is I am going to introduce something so that I will be able to bring it to the differentiation form. So what am I going to introduce? Plus 2 times f of 2 and minus 2 times f of 2 is what I am going to introduce and adjust the terms. 2 times f of x, which is there, upon x minus 2. Now I am going to club some terms, that is I am going to club this with this and I am going to club this with this, so that I will have limit x tending to 2 in x f of 2 minus 2 f of 2. Is it not true that I can pull out f of 2 and write it as x minus 2 times f of 2 upon x minus 2. Now it is very easy for me to cancel this x minus 2. I am left with only f of 2, which has been given the value as 4. So this can be substituted as 4, but the problem is not yet over. Wait. And in 2f of 2 minus 2f of x, I will pull out a plus 2, but I think it's convenient to pull out a negative 2 to get it in the form of f of x minus f of 2 upon x minus 2, and that limit extending to 2 is there, of course, for this also. So let me have a big bracket here. Now this is of the form f of x, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. Since x is tending to 2, in the place of a we are having 2. So I can rewrite this as f dash of 2. Hence what I am now left with is 4 minus 2 times f dash of 2. But what is f dash of 2 being given as? It is given as 1. So I will get it as 4 minus 2 times 1, or 4 minus 2, which is 2. Hence the right answer option is A.